gardening every day. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to collect Gomphrena seeds. Gompphrenas are annual flowering plants. You can grow them both in summer and winter. My Gomphrena plant produced lots of flowers in the entire spring. Now the weather has been changed, and because of these sudden changes of weather, my plant undergoes into stress. If you look carefully, you will see that the half portion of this plant is started to become dry out and half is still blooming. But with time that could also dry out. So now it is the right time to harvest the seeds. Now I am going to collect the dried flowers from the plant because these dried flowers contain the well-developed ripened seeds. So I am going to clip off all the dried flowers, also the dried portion of this plant. Now here I have separated two types of dried flowers. If you look these flowers, you will see that the flowers are fully dried and turned into light husky color. And if you look this, you will see the flowers are dried out, but still they are containing some colors. Actually, I collected these flowers from the dried portion of the plant. Now keep in mind, always choose and harvest the well-dried flowers from the plant because the seeds it contains are matured enough, well developed and has 90% germination possibilities. At first, tear off the petals. Actually, these are not petals, these are bracts. These colorful bracts enclose the fuzzy true flowers. However, most of the seeds you will find at the head of these flowers. Now, all the bracts do not form true flowers. So, when you rub a single bract, if it contains any seeds, you will feel something hard in it. So now I can feel something hard in it. So now I'm going to peel off the outer coat. After peeling off the outer feathery coat, you will find something small rounded like this. Look at this. This is the seed of Gomphrena. So tiny, brown color and hard seed Gomphrena produce. Now like this, I have peeled off and collected multiple seeds. Look at this. But don't be panic, it is not necessary. You can store them without peeling off the outer coat. Just separate the dried bracts. Then take a white paper and make a cone with it. Like this. And then fill it with seeds. Like this. And then fold the paper like this. And then leave a tag. So guys, that's it. Hope this video will be helpful. For the updates, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.